Okay, here we have Tuesday, September 27th, update of the Plum Creek Railroad. We'll start here at the amusement park. Since the last time, there's a haunted house has moved in. Turned out pretty cool, actually. We like it. There's Amusement Express, Kids Carousel, and here comes the amusement ride train. Ferris wheels running back there and roller coaster. I'm trying to get a good shot of the roller coaster here. Over in this section, where the train yard's going to be, there's a whole lot of track that's just begging to be ballasted. I'm not quite sure where the roundhouse is going, and I still need a decent turntable. In the background, we have a bakery back in there. And there's the mine. A mountain that needs almost all the decoration yet. Here is the farm. There's so much detail here I can hardly stop to get it all. A little area down here that we just sort of added in. It's going to be his crazy old camper. There's a trolley running in behind the back of the town here. That goes over to the state park. And the other end is takes the people to the amusement park. And everywhere there's some detail. Lila's Lodge over here, and had some work done to it tonight in that area. That mountain's coming along. Here at the park, we're just starting to sort things out and figure out where things are going. There'll be another layer of water going into that. I guess that's most of the layout. We do have a lot more to come. A lot of details, a lot of stuff to add yet.